I'm starting new projects now. It's been a little while. Been living in the van, experiencing it as is, and it's time to do some of the finish work. That in particular. So this wall I've left unfinished. Mounted my bikes a long time ago, but this all gets my gray monkey fur, which actually matches the inside of my truck, and it's right in here in a bag. So I thought I'd start this. This really is going to be hopefully pretty easy, and I'm going to just jump into it. Here we go. Give me a second, and I'm going to get rid of all this so that we can get in here and work. And I've just temporarily kind of tacked it up there. I didn't glue it, and so what I've got to do now is make sure this is a good smooth transition all through here, and really glue this down for the first time. I got to trim this corner out a little bit so that it moves up. I have a seam right here where the two overlap, so I got to cut that so that there's no seam. Cut both of them so that they fit. And I think this piece of wood that I put here is going to come out. It was really just to hold this up and really temporary. I'd rather have it gone, and then I can just run this carpet right down over all of that. I've got a little lip up here. It's a little deeper in some places than others because it feels like it's falling down. So that's new. I'll have to go play with that. So let's see what's going on with that. Weird. I didn't expect my ceiling to be dropping there for some reason. But we'll see what's going on. I can always tack nail that up. I've got some wood in there. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm sorry, I have no idea what you're looking at, how crooked that just got. But I'm going to cut this seam, get this all checked out, maybe glue this back together, get it up there and glue it in with contact adhesive. I bought the spray. It's gonna stink, so I got a fan and we're gonna use it. And then I think I'm going to run my monkey fur. Again, it's what they call it because I had a professional tell me that. So trunk liner all the way from here. If you didn't see this in another video, I know everybody tends to go to Amazon and buy this stuff. I remember when I looked for it, it's like $18, $20 for a can. Yeah, Lowe's for $7.95. So shop around, people. It can be found cheaper. All right, let's get into this. That was pretty cool. It was really easy. I scoured and cut through it, and boom. Now I've got a nice seam between these two. So the first thing I need to do, oops, take it out, not screw it in. I wonder why that wasn't working. So, scrap piece. My first piece that I need to save. And good. I gotta bring that up. That's that. So that's why I'm gonna stay there and get done in place. Now I'm already noticing a problem that I gotta figure out what to do. Change my whole plans for the day. Garbage. Now I still line up. Well, I'm cleaning before and actually, it's still a big gap. And I need to let it somehow. I think I still let it. And likewise. Alright. So I think I should take this out. Because we won't. Means I need to cut that right there. So maybe I'll just do that now. It's too dirty. I didn't take much out of it. And this come off just 2 screws. I'm curious. What did I put a screw there? Well, I get enough tension out of it. Is there anything back there? The bite. Not really, but yeah. Kind of does. Kind of does. Yeah, that works. In fact, I do need to run a wire to my door here. Haven't shown you, but I've got a lock for this door that's powered, and I happen to have the wire. By the way, the amount of wire I put in here, shocker. This is my second 100-foot roll. I bought a 50-foot roll, and my landscape wire that I started with, the heavier gauge stuff, kind of more of my backbone going to my bigger items and branched off of whatever. That was a good 100-foot. Maybe it was 200 feet. I forget. It was a big, heavy roll. I wish I remember how big it was. Big. That's a lot of wire in a 17-foot box. But that's what it is. but I can go this way. I thought that was a great idea. Now it sucks. I've done that a couple of times. First time on tape. That's kind of hurts. Man, I hate being short. Oh! Wait a minute. I think this will work. Yeah, like none of you guys have ever used your kitchen tools before. Don't be laughing. Sometime later, I have my wire. Pain in the butt. I got it up through here into another cabinet, and I'll finish it later. But that's, again, a future use. Right here, I wanted to put it on its own circuit because it's actually going to be on a control. So it needed its own circuit. A little remote control. That one controls my lights and my locks. We're going to experiment, my friends. It's just the way it is. Black on black. Right your body. Now, aim for you. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break. Plan my next step, because alright, confession, I really don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so I've started, forgot to turn the camera on, and but it's pretty straightforward, and I'll set you up now. You'll be able to see kind of what I'm doing. But spraying contact cement, both materials, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, tack it up, work my way up the wall. I did put in all my screws and bolts so that I know where to cut the holes through the carpet when I get there. I think that works. I don't know. And it does look like this stuff does stick to the FRP nicely. But let me set you up, and who knows, maybe we'll just do a little time-lapse thing here. You can see me work my way up my wall because it's slow 15-minute steps. Here we go. All right, let's roll up the wall a little bit. It's kind of fun. Make sure you get a good straight edge is the first most important thing. And I'm not. Oh yeah, yeah. Flow in the direction I want it to. No, it's not where I'm aiming this. What I need to do is it. I'm not going to aim like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, does that make sense? Craziness, huh? So now, back in this, I'll try to do this one section at a time. And yeah, I'm going to probably do this end over here, but it's going to be a separate piece as well. Yep, it smells, people. All right, I think this will work. Let's go up a little bit more. Fresh razor blade. Fresh. I think that's critical. We're gonna cut this door out now. Weak spot. That'll fix that. I just gotta do that corner. Oh, I'm happy. Put that corner back. I'll trim up the floor later. I've got this to do, but I'm gonna do it after I do the inside of my door here. I want to get the inside of that to match the cab. And I'm not 100% sold on monkey fur on that piece yet, because I could draw the line right here. I got a nice edge. And that could be something else that ties in with the rest of the van. Seems like I'm really dark in here right now, but there you go. Hey, thanks for joining me on this one. Don't be afraid to try stuff. Never done it before, and I figured it out. I got a little glue on me. I probably ate a little, but it's all right. You can do this. Remember, what one man can do, so can another. Thanks for joining me on Van on the Run. As I wrap up my build here soon, I will be transitioning to living in it and the van lifestyle, and particularly in my home state of New Hampshire. I'm navigating mostly around right now, and then I'll venture off from there in the little short trips. Well, short in distance, long in time. I'm going to go short distances and spend a month other places and get to know that area. So that's my plan. I'll tell you more about the future in another episode here, but that's it. That's all I got for today, people. Peace out.